Good day guys. So, nandito na po tayo sa isa na namang makabuluhan na activity. So, ngayon po ay all about summation of the terms in a geometric sequence. So, unang problem po natin ay ito po. So, what is the sum of the first 5 terms of the sequence 3, 6, 12, 24, and 48? So, ibig sabihin po niyan, atin pong i-add itong lahat na ito. So, ang sequence po na ito ay geometric sequence. We're going to add the first 5 terms. So, itong 3, 6, 12, 24, at saka 48. So, ang gagamitin po natin na formula ay, okay, ito po ang gagamitin natin na formula. So, summation of n, that is, ang n po natin ay 5. So, a sub 1 minus a sub n times r all over 1 minus r, na kung saan ang ating a sub 1 is 3. So, ito po yon. Ang ating a sub n po, a sub n ay ito po, yung pang 5. That is 48. At ang ating r po ay kung ano po yung minultiply kada term. So, that is 3. Para makapo ang r, that is 6 divided by 3. That is 2. Okay. So, r po natin ay 2. Or, pwede namang 12 divided by 6. Or, 24 divided by 12. Or, 48 divided by 24. Basta magkasunod po sila, then pwede po natin silang gagamiting para mahanap si r o yung common ratio. Okay, so may mga data na po tayo. So, substitute na po tayo. Okay, so that is a sub 1, that is 3 minus a sub n, ito po 48. So, that is 48 times ang r po natin, that is 2. Okay, all over 1 minus 2. Okay, so next, that is, kopyahin po ulit natin ang 3 minus 48 times 2, that is 96 all over, that is 1 minus 2 becomes negative 1. Then, sunod po, that is 96 minus 3 is equal to negative 93. Divided by negative 1 is equal to, that is 93. Okay po, positive po ang magiging kalalabasan since negative divided by negative is equal to 93. Okay po, so ito po ang kanyang sagot, 93. Okay po, so yun po ang sagot sa ating problem na what is the sum of the first 5 terms of the sequence 3, 6, 12, 24, and 48. Then, number 2 po natin guys na problem. What is the total answer in the sequence 1, 3, 9, 27, and 81? Okay, so ito na po ang ating ating pangalawang problem. So, pwede din pong gamitin na natin ito agad. Yung Sn, that is Sn is equal to a sub 1 minus an times r all over 1 minus r. Okay, na kung saan si a sub 1 po is 1. Ito po yan. Then, ang ating a sub n po ay yung dulo, that is 81. Then, our r, so r po natin, kung ano po yung number na pinag-times natin dito. So, 1, naging 3, naging 9. So, that is 3. Paano po nakuha ang 3? Pwede pong 3 divided by 1, or 9 divided by 3, or 27 divided by 9, or 81 divided by 27. So, R po natin ay 3. Okay? So, kung meron na po tayo niyan, substitute na po tayo. So, that is, a sub 1 po is 1. So, we have 1 minus a sub n, that is 81, times r. R po natin is 3. Divided by 1 minus 3. Okay? Sundan po. So, kopya lamang po ang 1. Then, 81 times 3, that is 243. All over negative 2. Okay? So, that is 243 minus 1, that is 242. So, negative po yan. Okay po. So, negative. Then, divided by negative 2, that is 1, 2, 1. So, positive po ang sagot. That is 1, 2, 1. Okay. So, yun po ang sagot sa pangalawang question na what is the sum of the sequence 1, 3, 9, 27, and 81. So, yun po ang process. Then, the answer is positive 121. Thank you po sa panonood.